Hello and welcome back to episode 2 of Planet Zoo. And this time we are building the South America because have some crazy idea to this. So I'm just going to like build the staircase up to. No. Firstly, we need to find the animal. So we're going to any continent, north and south, because I probably going to make them in the same habitat. Oh no, I'm not, because if you go up here, you can go into the sloughs, and then you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait. Firstly, I'm just going to buy some of these. This one and this one, and now I'm going to wait till I have. Well, how much money do I need to have? Oh crap! Wrong one. 9,000 to place it like right here. So I'm going to cut when I have enough. So see you then. So yeah, guys, I just found out something. They can. So I finally found the problem. It's the wall. Probably they could get through this wall. So I've just built some wood, and now I'm going to wait till I have enough money. So yeah, guys, I finally have enough to buy, and I already have the slots. So I'm going to build it right there. And you need to go through these to get into the slots. And yeah, the slots is not going to. Oh, crap! It doesn't have any power. Transformer is not that much. Only like really much. And like this. So now the slots have what they need. How much? 42. So just 26. Yeah. Who arrived? Oh, low kid. Yeah. And oh, I still have it on very fast. That could go very. So I have these. So yeah, I'm going to Oh, why did you do it? Oh, customize. It's not going to be YMS. It's going to be YMS. But like, I'm going to make it like you can't like see it, but still there is. So we are going to finally start the project of South America. So I need to filter by South America. You're going to start in. It's not going to be dynamic desert. Yeah, probably move that. So I'm going to build this, and I'm going to cut back when I have built it. So yeah, guys, now I have finally built it, and this is how it looks. I have tried to like put some tropical, like more tropical in here, and there's already some people, but yeah, this is what I made, and I think I'm not going to make it like better. So this is all I'm going to have to do. But yeah, this is like the first. Oh my god, this is so the first animal in South America, and it's going to be like the start area. I'm going to put brown sloth on it and put some donation bins. But and I know this lives in the yeah. So now I'm going to find donations. I know the donations is not just going to be blue, more of a tropical theme. And if you guys see this and things like, yeah, this could be more like of this color, then just comment it and I will try my best. So I think I'm going to do this because I want it like more like green, and in Africa I'm like going to more sandy thing. And yes, so let's see what I have in my Supedia. So we have all of these, and the grid, like in the start, it's going to be more like of this type, and so I'm going to start with South America, and it doesn't look like there has many animals, but some animals are there. So, so what am I going to choose? Not, I don't think the torches, they could be with the capybara, and the capybara can be with these three. You know what? I'm just going to start with the capybara. Oh my god, 2,000 for this. But how many do they need to be? 4? Oh my god, what is like the most? So, oh my god, I bought the one wrong. And just one male. This one is perfect. So, oh crap. So now I'm going to build the capybara. And the capybara is going to be really, really easy. You don't need like a high fence, high something. I don't even think they wanna break out. And this could also be too big for them. No, I have a crazy idea. Like I build them so they can be more over here. So this is like the little camping spot, so nobody can see it. And my game just froze. No, I did this whole thing wrong. I should not start with this. The first thing I'm going to start with is the construction, and I'm going to make my constructions, and then I'm going to be back when I have made it. So yeah, guys, I finally done. It took me I don't know how long, but this is what I made. I tried my best, but I'm not the best builder, so it's going to be not like. But they can barely stay right now quarantine, so you can if you're a zookeeper, you can be here. And then there is a small opening here, and then they can walk into here. So right now they are in oh, so I'm yeah, I started this project with 5,000. 5,000. It's just going really, but yeah, they should right now almost being this bloody thing. I can say it because I'm not English. So when they done in there, I will move. They will move over here, and oh crap, they can't even move over here. Yes, my zookeepers can walk over here, right? I hope they can do that. Okay, so now it needs to be smaller. Okay, no, they cannot. No, they cannot. Alright, so else I can just do something much easier. I can just make them walk over here. Walk over here. So yeah, this is now my habitat, and going to make it so people. Where is the power even? Oh, so there's power right here. That is so nice. You know what? No, there should not be these. It is these I need. Copy and boom. And if you're wondering, no, there is not going to be else way to get in North South America other than going through right there. Quarantine. So this guy, so now one of them. I just waiting for these two to be done. And yeah, then they're good to go. No, actually, I'm just going to remove this right now. And now Eduardo is finally done, so they need to get in there. So now I need to, yeah, find these and set up these right there and right there. And then I'm going to sit a speaker and push it a little bit to the ground. So you can probably not even see it. They are already here. So see, you need to go right through here. But not many people go a little bit further than here. Where is my sloth? Where is my sloth? Okay, so is this Chris? No, where's Chris? Oh, yes, this is Chris, but the other has offspring. Okay, so you can actually do something really, really cool. Maintain, no. Customize, no. Animals, no. No on cash, nope, we're not. Management. So, sell for cash, and then there is always going to be 50. No, how many can there be again? How many can the capybaras be? No, not the capybaras, the sloths. Okay, so only 6. So when there is 6, highest first, lowest first, H. So yeah, that is that, and now the Eduardo and oh, I have 2 Eduardos. So if anyone comments on this video, then we are going to name one of these after you. And you can like just say put my name in, or this is what the name should be. Okay. Actually, I'm going to make this some heavy ground. Oh, they need water. Oh yeah. So I think I'm going to put like the water right here, so they can swim right here. Is this enough? I hope it, yeah, it is. So these are hungry. Yeah, but wait, where is your food? There is, oh my god, that is run food. Ew, that is not good. So they can always drink, but I need to play something for that. And I do not have enough money. Deer. That is the deers. That is the what are they called again? Ibex. Ibex. And here are the cabby. Cabby place. Cabby place. So here are the cabby place. Okay, so now I just need to get enough money. Boom. But where is the zookeeper? Oh, he's making food for them. So this is now South America, and it's going to be really like cool place, I think. I hope also, but just 20. Means, oh, they think the underprice, so I'm going to put it up to 6 and 8 and 6. So now the capybaras is really happy. Yeah, I hope so, though. It should be. I'm going to put them on sprinkler and then on the water feeder. And that is really what I just have. Yeah, that's what I can get them. I'm going to get the tough right here. Oh crap, I don't have any more money. I'm going to sell this. So my animals are still hungry. Where is... Oh, the keeper is right there. Oh yeah. I need to research that right now. Right now, research that. Critical infection. Undiagnosed. And what is that? Oh god, I don't know what it is. But I really need the keeper to save it. Oh my god, that is very not good. So now you cannot just only walk over there. But I think this is going to be the episode, and next episode we are going to see what is happening to this guy. So see ya, and bye.